Before high-speed Wi-Fi, before fiber optics, the Internet had a sound. Dial-up. That unforgettable screeching, beeping connection sound meant one thing: you were going online. But how did it actually work? In the 90s, most people used their phone lines to connect to the Internet. The same wires used for voice calls carried digital data, but only one at a time. You needed a modem, short for modulator-demodulator. The modem converted digital data from your computer into analog signals that could travel over the phone lines. On the other end, another modem received the signals and converted them back into digital information for websites, emails, and chat rooms. The connection was painfully slow: 14.4, 28.8, or 56 kbps, thousands of times slower than today, and you couldn't use the phone while online. If someone picked up the phone, your connection dropped instantly. Web pages loaded one line of pixels at a time. Downloading a single song could take hours. But despite the frustrations, dial-up opened a new world. Chat rooms, early search engines, simple email. It was the first time millions could access the Internet from home. Eventually, faster connections like DSL and cable replaced dial-up. But for an entire generation, that iconic dial-up sound will always mean one thing: you've got mail.